Ay, ako man ano day, ako ni siya kanang mute. Titirad ko kasturya. Okay, so the plan was to go to Malubog Lake, but unfortunately we weren't able to find it. We got lost.
Narong man ta ganina. Oy, grabe ka. Padong ka na dito? Pinapangita pa siya.
We're lucky because we were brought here. This is a really nice place. It's called Evo Nature Park. No, it's Evo Nature Camp. It's like pulling out the plug of your phone, a distance away from the noisy horns of the cars and the bright lights of the screens. And earlier on our way here, I was very sad and depressed because again, we planned to go to Malubog Lake. I wanted to do a vlog there and feature the place, but sometimes when we're too focused on quickly getting to our destinations, we'll encounter unexpected roadblocks. I mean, we had this weekend planned for a road trip. We went to Karkar to have lunch and really wanted to spend the afternoon going to Toledo in search for the lake, but it was just things were not working well with that plan. It was raining. Google Maps led us to a different place, and it was a really rough road, and we sort of damaged the car. Mike was already suggesting that we go back because it was getting clear that we will never get to our original destination. I thought, okay, maybe today is not the day for Malubog Lake. I still want to feature it in one of my vlogs though, maybe one day. But sometimes it takes a wrong turn to get you to the right place, and today the right place for us is Evo Nature Camp. It's somewhere in Balamban, so if you're passing through the what do you call this, the TCH route, you can it's quite easy to miss the spot because you'll have to go in a small street of Barangay Gaas, Balamban, just approximately an hour drive away from J-Way Square Mall via the scenic Trend Central Highway. I think this is a nice place to relax. They offer a lot of activities to do here. The place, I think aims to become a tourist spot, perfect for camping, for everyone of all ages, whether it be with family, friends, or fellow camp enthusiasts. It's just really refreshing to be here. Experience serenity with the vastness of green surrounding you, and you can also take amazing pictures for your Instagram feed and enjoy nature at its finest. I will definitely come back. Maybe next time, bring a tent. Yeah, I'll definitely come back here. Right now, it's just nice to know that there is such a place like this. You can just drive and camp. But if you also want to hike, the camp has established a curated natural trail for hikers to, showcase its beauty, along with some waterfalls, caves, and I heard some rock formations. I think it will be much fun to do that with friends. Right now, it's just me, Mike, and Mayjoy, and we stopped over here for coffee and afternoon snacks. And they have like local made snacks that are very delicious. They have a cafe or a grill resto. They also serve food and drinks, so it almost has everything you need. I mean, I'm glad we found this, an unexpected destination perhaps, But you must admit, all the best journeys take unexpected detours. And when things don't work out as planned, you just have to really just let go and let the universe, take you where it wants to take you, because you'd be amazed by its beautiful surprises. Like this one, we found this on our way home. The really happy person is the one who can enjoy the scenery, like even when they have to take a detour. I think the most, fulfilling adventures happen when you start your journey without knowing where you're going, because, only then are you free to experience the unexpected detours you're meant to take. I just realized there's a lot of places here in Cebu that we haven't really explored, so I'm excited to, go around and still continue to explore. Continue to follow me and join me on my next adventure, because I will take you to